So, studying with us, was there one thing in particular that stood out to you that made it easy for you to get going on your general?
Definitely the videos and the mobile app, because the mobile app I could sit down anytime I had just a minute or two. I could still get a few questions in, but the videos help solidify it all and makes more sense.
I'm Jim and for BFR here with Ham Radio Prep, and I am here with successful student Robbie. Hi, Robbie.
Hi, Jim.
Nice to meet you. How far along have you gotten in your ham radio studies?
In February, I took the test and got my general.
Excellent. Now that you got your general, what are you doing with it? Are you online, hunting parrots? What kind of thing are you doing?
I'm collecting equipment right now.
That's a big ham radio thing. There's nothing wrong with that.
Last week, a couple of ham radio friends that I met online or in the air came out to my house. They put up an antenna.
Wonderful.
Got a radio now, so I just got to get it all connected and up and going.
That's a great part of the community. It's very helpful to have that. Did you have to take a lot of practice tests, or how did you do there?
I did a lot of practice tests.
Okay.
Yeah, over and over and over again.
And so you've been a general since February, and now you told me you're going for extra?
Yes, I am. But it's a little bit of a slower process. I guess I tapered off with the amount of work I was putting into it. A little bit slower now, but.
What made you decide on wanting to be an extra?
It's there.
It's there. For some reason, for some people, that is totally good enough.
The challenge, all right, to do it. So
that sounds like fun. You can be a BE. You can work overseas. If you travel with your radio, you can operate from the Caribbean or wherever you want to operate. So
I don't have to worry if I'm not on frequency.
No, that's such a. I've been there, done that. And then there's always the part where I want to work this DX station, and it's just below my privileges, and I can't get them. So now, that's another reason to get extra. So terrific. Thank you very much for being a successful student. We appreciate it, and want to hear
your help. It would have been a lot harder without it, I know.
Oh, great. Thank you.
All right.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Bye, Robbie.
Appreciate it.